Hi, I'm Nuala Casey and I play the part of Eithne in Rosnaroon.
But it's a couple of canisteach len, sinna maid. The kid the cholach an ella, zach vac up smile.
I used to work here, do makeup in Rosnaroon for years. I came in here one day, there was auditions on. I hadn't been working here at the time. I was off doing something else. I came in and there was an audition. I did the audition, thought nothing more of it, and the next thing I knew, I had the part of Eithne. My character, she is a bit of a trickster. She has a son and she loves her son, but he was taken off her into care because she wasn't able to look after him.
Caileo siad?
Come a chuid sach go bhfuil na mílte wimse. Tá sé tealach an óir an mór. Tá sé go fada sa baile, go cínan seam gáil go fada leis.
She's a bit of a scam artist, if we could say. She drinks a lot, but she never seems to have a proper job. She kind of lives off the state and she tries, but nothing ever goes right for her. No, we're not alike, but I think that she's, like every mother, she has a big heart and stuff, and she does try. I'm not like her. She's a good sense of humour and she likes a bit of crack, same as. But I'd hope that I wouldn't be like her in the other senses, like she's a drink problem and no home and stuff.
Damn right, go beth a geshte to hénas da chud psychobabble. Can you say it if we want to hoigal?
Well, she was down on her luck and just by pure chance, she ended up bumping into David. And he told her he'd help her out and he brought her back to Rosnaroon to try and put her on the straight and narrow.
The nacht eart. Die had padded it.
Vriend, goed pauzertje.
Han te uit altijd, zo duidelijk Rosnaroon.
No way!
The kids are go Hollands. Gan kaint said liaba. David Grimmahead. Tá my fear wichid.
Fair play, it's ballorash stessa.
Oh, die gief je nech rasho.
Huh?
See you over Maiden?
Yeah, I did in the beginning. I found it very hard because I thought they're here for the last 16 years. And I used to do makeup and I've known them for a long time. And it wasn't that I felt intimidated by no way, but it was just, they're so well established and they're really good. And I just felt a bit awkward, I guess. But they make me feel really, really comfortable and help me along with everything. And they're just really good. It's really good. That's all from me now. I hope you enjoy my character Eithne and that you keep watching Rosnaroon.